अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर एस्पायरेंट्स। CSS 2023 करंट अफेयर्स का क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है आज का टॉपिक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 और 3 जो है वो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में आप उनका लिंक देख सकते हैं। तो आओ आए चलें शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, डिस्कस द कोर काजेज ऑफ द रशियन इन्वेजन ऑफ द यूक्रेन which have considerable socio-economic, political and strategic consequences on the world. Explain its devastating impact on Pakistan and its fair lesson for the country's survival. The Russian invasion of Ukraine was driven by a complex mix of factors including socio-economic, political and strategic considerations. The root causes of the conflict can be traced back to the fall of the Soviet Union and the subsequent emergence of the independent states in the Eastern Europe and the Caucasus region. One of the key causes of the Russian invasion of Ukraine was the country's move towards closer ties with the West and its aspirations to join the European Union and NATO. This was seen as a direct challenge to Russia's sphere of influence and its aspirations to maintain its dominant position in the region. The Russian government also feared that the spread of Western style democracy and capitalism in Ukraine would undermine its own political stability and economic prosperity. Another key cause of the conflict was the unequal distribution of economic and political power within Ukraine. The country's western regions were more economically advanced and politically liberal, while the eastern regions were more economically deprived and politically conservative. This decision was exploited by the Russia, which sought to destabilize Ukraine and prevent its integration with the West. The Russian invasion of Ukraine had devastating consequences for the country, including the loss of Crimea and part of the eastern regions and the displacement of thousands of people. The conflict also had severe consequences for the world, including the erosion of trust between Russia and the other West and the destabilization of the entire region. now come towards Pakistan. For Pakistan, the conflict serves as a severe lesson in the importance of maintaining strong and stable relationships with its neighbors and the need to avoid becoming embroiled in conflicts that do not directly concern it. The conflict also highlights the importance of promoting economic development and political stability in order to reduce the risk of conflict and to ensure the survival of the country. In conclusion, the Russian invasion of Ukraine was driven by a complex mix of socio-economic, political, and strategic considerations. The conflict had devastating consequences for the Ukraine and the world, and serves as the severe lesson for Pakistan on the importance of avoiding conflicts and promoting stability and prosperity. Thank you so much. मिलते हैं करंट अफेयर 2023 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में.